I believe people kind of know about it, but still not many speak about it. It's that constant need to look perfect and talk about perfect things, like a perfect picture, paint a perfect picture for everybody, which is sad also, but I think it's so highly ingrained in all of us at this point, which is unavoidable.
All the moment in which Pallavi was there with Viraj. Yeah.
Smart answer.
Parul was there with Siddharth. Well, I feel very fortunate that at a very young age, I got a chance to work with Amir Khan sir, the perfectionist. So definitely, आज भी जो भी मैं perform करता हूँ या फिर जब मैं act करता हूँ, तो मैंने कभी acting classes नहीं ली, कभी मैं theatre में नहीं गया. So I think it's जो मैंने सीखी थी acting, तो वो सारी चीज़ें I think कहीं ना कहीं मैंने धूम 3 में ही सीखी है. वहाँ पे मेरी बहुत अच्छे से workshop हुई थी. And also Amir sir told me one thing, very good thing, जो आज भी मैं use करता हूँ. And that one thing is कि जब आप act कर रहे होते हो ना, before action you be whatever you want to be Siddharth Nigam, do whatever you want to do. But when the director says action, and when you are performing that character, forget Siddharth Nigam. You are performing that character, just be in that zone, be in that character. If that character has to lie down, लेट जाओ, मतलब खो जाओ. Then only you will be able to act and communicate through your eyes.
I think what we know is that we both loved food a lot, and we were constantly planning where to order food from every day, because Delhi has the most tastiest food.
Yes, you can order food from anywhere और अच्छा ही आता है.
And that had become an integral part of our shoot every evening.
I think when you start acting from a very young age and then, you know, transforming yourself to an adult actor, it becomes little difficult for you as an actor, because people typecast you. They say you know, child actor. And as I've been acting from a very young age, so even after Dhoom 3, when I did Ashoka, it went, you know, so popular that people started calling me Ashoka, and they also typecast me there. So it was very difficult for me to transform every time I choose any project.
Acting, because I feel as an actor, we are constantly selling, right? We are entrepreneurs in ourselves. Like, there's no two ways
very
about
well said,
it.
Yeah.
I mean, only reason why I could start business is because I had been an actor and I was auditioning, and I had listened to no's so many times, like no, not fit, no, not fit. So when I started the business, that will to never give up is something that I got from being an actor.